it is advisable to stop posting until the technical issue is resolved. This action prevents the creation of further duplicate posts, which can clutter the forum and make it more difficult for moderators to manage the content effectively. Continuing to post while the issue persists only exacerbates the problem, requiring moderators to spend more time sorting through and removing redundant entries. By temporarily ceasing posting, individuals contribute to a more organized and efficient resolution process. This approach demonstrates consideration for the community as a whole, recognizing that a clean and orderly forum benefits everyone. Furthermore, it allows the technical team to focus on identifying and fixing the underlying problem without being overwhelmed by a constant influx of new, potentially duplicated content. Before resuming posting, it is essential to ensure that the technical issue has been completely resolved to avoid perpetuating the cycle of duplication. The advantages of ceasing posting temporarily during a technical issue are multifold. Firstly, it reduces the workload on forum moderators, allowing them to concentrate on other important tasks related to community management. Secondly, it minimizes the frustration experienced by forum users who might encounter numerous duplicate posts while browsing the content. Thirdly, it contributes to a more professional and well-maintained forum environment, enhancing the overall user experience. When a technical problem arises that leads to duplicate postings, a proactive approach is required to mitigate the negative impact on the forum and its users. Ceasing posting is a responsible measure that demonstrates a commitment to maintaining order and facilitating a smoother resolution process. By adopting this approach, the community collectively contributes to a more efficient and user-friendly forum environment. After the issue has been fixed, the all-clear may be announced, signaling that members may resume posting. The moderators may decide to remove the duplicate postings from the forum. Users can then engage in discussion as normal again. It is important to note the severity of the issue to determine if action like this is necessary.